Our world runs on information. We use computers for everything, and this makes cybersecurity more important than ever. Cyber attacks are increasing, and they can harm businesses and people. We need to protect our data and stay ahead of cyber criminals. Cybersecurity is not just about technology, it is about people and processes. A strong cybersecurity strategy involves multiple layers of protection, including technology, policies, and training. Cybersecurity is an ongoing effort. Threats are always evolving, so we must stay informed about the latest threats and adapt our defenses accordingly. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, created a framework called the Cybersecurity Framework, or CSF. It helps organizations manage cybersecurity risks. The CSF is a set of guidelines, not a set of rules, so organizations can adapt the CSF to their needs. The CSF is constantly evolving. NIST released CSF 2.0 in 2024, which includes updates and improvements to address the latest cybersecurity challenges. CSF 2.0 emphasizes a risk-based approach. Organizations should identify their most valuable assets and prioritize their cybersecurity efforts. The NIST CSF is organized around 5 core functions. These functions provide a comprehensive approach to cybersecurity. Identify, understand your assets and risks, know what needs protection, protect, create safeguards to protect your assets, use strong passwords and implement access controls, detect, identify security events quickly, use intrusion detection systems and monitor your networks. Respond, take action to address security incidents, contain the damage and restore normal operations. Recover, restore systems after an incident, learn from the incident and improve your resilience. These functions are not linear, they are interconnected. Organizations should address all 5 functions to create a strong cybersecurity posture. Section 4, the new govern function in CSF 2.0. CSF 2.0 introduces a new function, govern. This function emphasizes leadership and governance. It recognizes that cybersecurity is an enterprise risk. The govern function encourages organizations to establish cybersecurity goals and priorities, foster a culture of cybersecurity awareness, communicate cybersecurity risks to stakeholders, and measure the effectiveness of cybersecurity programs. By incorporating the govern function, organizations can create a more holistic and effective cybersecurity strategy. Section 5, Continuous Threat Exposure Management, or CTEM. Continuous Threat Exposure Management is an ongoing process. It helps organizations identify and address vulnerabilities. It uses real-time threat intelligence and provides a dynamic view of an organization's security posture. CTEM involves several key activities. Threat intelligence, which is gathering information about current and emerging threats. Vulnerability assessment, identifying weaknesses in systems and applications. Penetration testing, simulating attacks to identify vulnerabilities. And security monitoring, continuously monitoring systems and networks for suspicious activity. By implementing CTEM, organizations can proactively address vulnerabilities and reduce their attack surface. Section 6, Impress-It Solutions, your partner in cybersecurity. Impress-It Solutions can help your organization. We use NIST, CSF and CTM to create a robust cybersecurity strategy. We offer a range of services, cybersecurity assessments to identify your risks and vulnerabilities, CSF implementation to develop and implement a cybersecurity program aligned with NIST CSF, CTEM services to provide continuous threat monitoring and vulnerability management, and security awareness training to educate your employees about cybersecurity best practices. Contact Impress-It Solutions today. We can help you protect your organization and stay ahead of cyber threats.